Yeah, so my name is Chuby Dice. Given name is Desmond Malcolm. I'm a professional dancehall dancer. You know what I mean? Dance creator slash artist. Well, dancehall is originated from the street of Kingston, Jamaica, and it's actually the lifestyle where we live it. You know, the artists put it in music, sing about it, and we as dancers create moves about it. Yeah. So the dancehall actually is a space where people come together, a place where you can let go your stress. So you have a mix of Africans that's in Jamaica. You know, we come from, there are Congolese, West Africans. We practice dance, which like spiritual dance, which is like kumina, dinkimini, and I find out in my research that the dance that my grandparents or grandfather do
from Africa.
is called Eto. There's a parish named Hanover in Jamaica, and that's the dance they practice, which is from the Yoruba tribe, and that lead back to Nigerian, West African, you know, like some mix up type of vibe. The dance is like, it's grounded for one, and they say why it's grounded is talking to the ancestors, the spirit itself. And a local movement in the hips, swinging from left to right, and them a swing from left to right as well. And I definitely see, like, a lot of this spiritual and traditional dance is in dancehall in a different form, you know what I mean? The history itself is horrible or terrible or, you know? Yeah, you know, like lots of death, lots of sad moments, and they telling us that would give us, make we feel like we know ourselves, you know what I mean? 'Cause I feel like that even help with anger and all that, you know what I mean? Yeah, so knowledge that I wasn't have, I gained that just through that research, which I wasn't getting from anyone. It's definitely give me a wow look, you know, like wow.